Hello and welcome back to SSB Short Academy. My name is Romil and today we will discuss the most important quality which ultimately determines how well you perform not just in the SSB but in every aspect of your life. Here at the Academy, we are bombarded with questions like how can I perform well in a certain GTO task or how can I develop OLQs. We have observed that most of the candidates are getting into the technicalities of the selection procedure far more than what is required. Yes, it is absolutely essential that you must know everything about the SSB procedure and on what basis are candidates recommended. But having said that, it is also important to not delve so deeply into more technical things like how can you develop a specific OLQ, for example. What you need to do is take a step back and start with the basics. We need to understand that even the SSB assessors are human beings after all. So before getting into OLQs and all the other technical stuff, they will assess you on the basis of how likable and charming you are as a person. While growing up, you must have had friends or known people who were automatically more popular, who people generally liked and wanted to be friends with, and who never had to work hard to impress others. What was it that they had which made them more charming and likable? The answer is very simple and you must have heard it 1,000 times before. They just had a good, pleasing personality. Now the question is, what is personality? Or rather, what is a good personality? Personality is the typical pattern of thinking, feeling, and behaviors that make a person unique. When we say that somebody has a good personality, we mean that they are likable, interesting, and pleasant to be with. Basically, it is how an individual attracts others through his actions and words. And of course, a good personality cannot be developed in a day. However, I will list out 6 basics that you can start implementing in your life right from today onwards, and I assure you that you will begin to feel a difference in yourself in a matter of a few days. So my first point is that you need to groom yourself. Now, even if you don't resemble a Greek god or Hrithik Roshan, you can still do plenty of things to improve your appearance. After all, how you look is the basis of the first impression that people will have about you. And as they say, first impression is the last impression. You really don't want to mess this up. So maintain good hygiene, have a neat haircut, trim your beard, wear decent clothes that suit your style. If you want to become an officer, why not start looking like one right from today itself? So the second point is that you need to improve your social skills. Whether it is listening, speaking, writing, or even having a good conversation with your friends. Be more expressive about your opinions and ideas. Stick to your commitments as people will respect you more if you do so. Work on your body language. Social skills is one of the main factors that will greatly improve your confidence, your relationships, and your overall personality. After all, humans are social beings. This brings me to my next point, which will greatly help you in improving your social skills. Just become more interesting. Now, as funny as it may sound, this is absolutely essential because people will immediately like you more if you have an interesting personality. You can only enjoy a great conversation if you have knowledge about the particular subject. So in order to become more interesting, you simply need to develop more hobbies. Cultivate new interests and enhance your knowledge on different subjects by reading or watching documentaries. Go ahead and try out new things that you have never done before. Go for that adventure camp that you have always postponed. You will learn plenty of new things and plus you will have one interesting experience to share with others. My next point is pretty straightforward. Know your strengths. Now everyone has some strengths and some weaknesses. Embrace your strengths and work on your weaknesses so that they can also become your strengths in future. You can do that by first accepting your flaws and then start working on them consciously. Finding a good mentor will be a big bonus. If you are not too sure about what your strengths and weaknesses are, just ask your parents, maybe siblings and your close friends. I'm sure they will give you plenty of things that you can think about. My next point is optimism and humor. This one is quite simple. After all, who wants to be around someone who is constantly nagging and complaining about things and who usually don't have anything nice to say? Most of us would run in the opposite direction if we see them coming. Therefore, have a positive outlook in life and try to look at the humorous or the bright side of things. If you can do this, people would be looking forward to your company as you will carry that aura of optimism with you. Also, don't forget to keep a smile on your face. And this brings me to the last point of the day, which is integrity and respect for others. Be honest and be true to your word. After all, nothing brings admiration and respect as integrity does. Along with that, be encouraging and supportive of others. Compliment them when they do a good job. Encourage them when they are struggling. This is what makes great leaders. And lastly, respect other people and please don't gossip behind their backs. You can only expect someone to respect you if you respect them equally, if not more. So these were the 6 tips to get you started on your journey towards a great personality. Now, if you're looking for proper guidance from an experienced mentor, then don't miss out on General Bhakuni's online personality development course, which starts on the 8th, 18th, and 28th of every month. He will be guiding you step by step through a detailed process of introspection and self-improvement. And since this is the first month, we are offering it at a 50% discount. It will be totally worth your money, and I can't emphasize enough on the fact that your SSB preparation must start with your personality, as it is a personality-based test and nothing will build your foundation better than this. So what are you waiting for? Until next time, goodbye, take care and all the best.
मेरे दोस्तों, आप देश के युवाओं को सेना में ऑफिसर बनाने की ट्रेनिंग देना मेरा पैशन है। क्या आप में भी जुनून है ऑफिसर बनने का? अगर है तो देरी किस बात की है? हमारे शानदार कोर्सेज, खासतौर पर मेरे सिग्नेचर कोर्सेज यानी कि एसएसबी ट्रेनिंग का 5 डेज ऑनलाइन कोर्स और पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट का 4 दिन का कोर्स जो कि हर महीने होते हैं, उसके बारे में जानकारी हासिल कीजिए और यह आपके लिए कंपल्सरी है। ये मेरे हिसाब से अगर आप नहीं करेंगे आप बहुत बड़े डिसएडवांटेज में हैं। तो प्लीज ऑप्ट फॉर इट। इन द मंथ ऑफ मे वी हैव सच कोर्सेज एट 50% ऑफ द कॉस्ट। डोंट मिस दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी। साथ ही अगर आप उससे थोड़ा और आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं, आपका इंटरव्यू और आपका साइक टेस्ट मेरे द्वारा पर्सनली लिया जाएगा और आपको एसएसबी की 100% तैयारी के साथ हम भेजेंगे। आपकी रिक्वेस्ट पर हमने इंश्योर किया है कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा देश के युवा रिटन टेस्ट क्रैक करने में पीछे हो जा रहे हैं। सो उनके लिए रिटन टेस्ट सबसे बड़ा स्टम्बलिंग ब्लॉक है। इसीलिए हमने शुरुआत की है आपके लिए रिटन एग्जामिनेशन की प्रिपरेशन का ऑनलाइन कोर्स। मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप ऑप्ट करें और इस शानदार अपॉर्चुनिटी का इस्तेमाल करें, तो इससे बढ़िया अपॉर्चुनिटी आपको फिर दोबारा नहीं मिलेगी। थैंक यू।
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure that you like this video and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for all the future updates. If you're new to this channel, then do check out our other videos as well. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram.